I got the Hyperkin HDMI cable for the NEO-GEO AES. Today, we're going to do an unboxing, a quick review, we're going to test it out, and then we're going to compare it to Composite. And we're going to get this all done in 5 minutes or less. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon. Even though I usually try not to support companies that pay less in taxes than I do, let's just set that aside. All right, here we go. This is the Hyperkin NEO-GEO AES HD TV cable. It's about 7 feet. This is the box. Yeah, let's get this thing open. It says it supports both the 4:3 and the 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's see, it comes with "Play well. Thank you for your purchase and support." Little thingy there. Some instructions. Okay, I think I know how to plug in an HDMI cord. This is it. It looks like this is the micro USB cable used to power the cord. And this is it. This plugs into the back of your AES. This goes into your TV. And it looks like it has a switch to change between the aspect ratios, 16:9 and 4:3. Why anyone would play a NEO-GEO AES in 16:9 ratio is beyond me. I just wanted to put the Hyperkin HDMI cable on the left and Composite on the right. Forgive me if it looks a little janky, but I tried to put them side by side so you can get a good read on what the differences are. Personally, I think the HDMI cord obviously looks a lot better there on the left. I mean, there's just so many more colors, the picture is sharper, it looks beautiful on my monitor, whereas on the right, I'm using a composite to HDMI converter that I purchased from Best Buy. And I mean, it's a pretty accurate reading of what you'd see on RCA plugs. Now, I did buy my cord from Amazon, but you can get it from Hyperkin's home webpage as well. Upon Googling it, I found that there's another retro gaming oriented website based out of California that you can purchase the cord from as well. I like this cable because it's cheap, easy to find, easy to use. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be reviewing the LEVELHIKE cable next.